On this episode, we are ringing in the new year.
What should we look forward to in 2025?
And what is our resolutions?
So, paputok na mga Bex agad. Go. Googs.
Yes, putok na putok.
Get ready
For a gay time.
with Bex Mel.
And Jonah.
Welcome to the Bexters Podcast.
Ano na, Beck?
Ano na? Ay, sorry.
Catch up session!
Join lalo ng Chumika Labo.
At magbaklaan, dita chiwara sa
Baxters.
Now,
And Jonah Show. Yes. Happy New Year.
Happy
Oh my
New Year! Oh my
God.
God, this is the first episode of the year.
Yes. And
OMG, confident.
every episode tayo nag-New Year. And it's finally Happy New Year. New
Oo.
Year na.
And finally, putok na talaga.
Oo, true. Dahil dyan, cheers
Ah,
for the ano.
from the last episode. Ems.
For the panggap, uy, wala ako last episode. Hindi ako yun.
Love it.
Babalikan yung last episode. Makikita nyo doon ang ano,
Um,
the Queen of Zoom press cons.
correct. I love it. Ayan.
Kamusta ang New Year, mga Bex?
Siyempre, pumutok. Ang dami pong fireworks, Ems. And of course, maraming salamat sa nag-tune in sa amin from the last episode. That's the Christmas episode.
True.
And Dear Bex, ayan, sa mga nag-tune in sa atin during the holiday season, maraming salamat.
Kahit na Pasko talaga naman for the tune-in.
Oo,
Nice.
and kahit na New Year talaga naman.
Kala mo naman talaga in demand. Anticipated.
Anticipate, lalo na yung Baxter's
Oo,
Awards.
true.
Amen. Ayan.
Ayan. Siyempre, it's our 52nd episode.
And this also marks the third year, the start of the third year
Yes.
of Baxter's. Oh my God, third year.
And naka 1 year na tayo na video podcast.
And this is the
Oh my
second, and this is gonna be the start of the second year of our video podcast.
Oh my God, 2 full podcasting years. Oh my God.
Push na push kahit na-haggard na kami and marami kaming drama in between. Oo.
Not between us.
Not between us, but with our personal
Oo,
lives.
Sure.
Ayan. I love it. Ayan. And thank
Do
you.
you really?
At some point. Sorry. I want to thank our listeners from the USA, kay Pao, she's always listening,
True.
and kay Sheila May, and then kay Jerome sa Canada, and of course, Australia, Sir Eugene, and kay Summer, our official commenter, na
True.
nagpahinga na makinig mo na sa Bex.
Okay lang yan.
Marami siyang personal stuff.
Life is lifing.
Correct. And of course, kay M na nasa UAE, thank you for always tuning in. And then kay Levy, na naglilibot
Oo, correct.
around the world at lagi niya tayong
Kasi
sinasama.
nandito siya sa Pinas ngayon.
I'm so happy.
Sure.
Sana mag-catch up tayo with him. In person. Charot. And sino pa ba mga listeners natin? Ayun kay Kat Nunag from New Zealand. And we also have, I think, sino pa ba yung
The Yambao family.
Yambao family, yes. In Oman. Thank you for always tuning in sa mga episodes namin. And so much more. Kasi meron din ako mga new discovery, like yung isa para sa mga teammate ko, always listening sa atin. So, thank you.
Telly!
Ayan kay Telly. Oo nga. Alam nyo, si Telly laging active sa mga live broadcast natin. So, thank you, Telly. And more to live broadcasts ngayong taon, hopefully.
Correct. Inano lang namin para focus kami this. Kasi, aamin na ba tayo? Tayo naman sunod-sunod namin film yung episodes, no? Nakarang episode, kaya hindi muna kami nag-live para nakafocus kami para dire-diretso yung atake.
Kasi syempre, holiday season, may holiday din kami.
Correct, tama naman.
Para hindi rin kami mahaggard sa sa mga episodes kasi sunod-sunod din ang mga kaganapan at activities in life.
At dahil advance namin in-record itong episode na ito, syempre, wala tayong baklita.
Wala man na kaming baklita kasi ayaw namin na hindi kami accurate sa mga baklita namin. I'm not saying na super reliable ng mga hanash namin. But the Baklita are based on the what is trending currently. So, ayan.
So, pag may pumutok na sobrang pasabog na news, kami, remote taping kami ng Baklita. Pero sa ngayon, mag-move on na tayo agad sa ating main topic.
Which is?
2025. Ano ba ang mga dapat nating abangan?
Oo nga, abangan. Ano ba yung mga dapat abangan? Of course, abangan niyo po ang kasalang si Lina and Benny. Chareng! Chareng lang. I mean, there's so much more to 2025, I think, because 2024 is really official year na talagang nakamove on na tayo sa COVID.
Yes, yes.
I think.
Agree.
Kasi 2023 is parang we're still slowly transitioning.
We were almost there. Pero 2024, nandun na talaga.
Oo, kasi 2024 talaga nandun na talagang you can now go to hospital or clinics na wala kang mask. Unlike before na they won't allow you to go in na wala kang mask. Yung mga ganon.
Although ngayon, pag may mga emergencies and stuff, ginagahanap pa rin sila ng vaccine cards.
Oo, pero it's not like before na talagang
kailangan pa-present
lahat ng ganap. Grocery lang ako dati, kailangan ko i-present yung vaccine card, which is crazy. But it's part of risk and controls. Yan.
Pero bago tayo mag-focus sa 2025, balikan natin ng very, very late in 2024. Personally, do you have any regrets last year? O wala? Ano ka, YOLO?
Hindi naman YOLO. Parang,
I mean,
all the decisions that I've made from 2024 has made me who I am today.
Yeah.
So,
siguro what if?
It's not really a regret, but learnings. I have a lot of learnings from 2024. And I feel like 2024 has been a redemption year for me.
Yes. True naman, true. Kasi yung mo, 2023 mo tayo. yung 2023.
Oo, kasi sunod-sunod talaga yung ewan ko, ang daming low lights. Low lights sa buhay. Instead na highlights, low lights. Oo, ng 2023. But 2024, I think it is one of the redemption year for me.
May mga bumps along the way.
Oo, kasi normal na may ganyan.
Pero overall for you?
Overall, okay naman siya.
Redemption year talaga.
Oo, kasi I'm really happy with what is happening right now in the office. Unlike before, So, yun, I'm happy.
Ako siguro ang what if ko lang, what if I exited earlier sa work.
Hindi ko nasagot yan. Wala ako sigurong what if pa ngayon. Siguro ito na lang, no? Dahil sa dami ng Jonas Brothers natin na paraan. I think what if hindi ko na lang tinanggap yung project na yun. And then I just focus on other things.
Yes.
But the thing is, I need it. That's why I grab it. And
at saka
nandun yung trust kasi dun sa tao
the person,
na nag-connect sa akin to engage in this in that particular project. So, yeah. It's hard when you trust, no? And then eventually it will be broken.
Yes.
So, yeah. Well, that's life.
Sure. Ako yung siguro what if mas maaga akong nag-resign para mas more time to pero okay naman overall parang no regrets. I'm happy now, masaya ako and feeling ko ready na ako ulit bumalik. Kaya lang kasi may mga may mga naka-schedule akong trips ngayong first few months. So ayokong mag-start tapos alam mo yung mapuputol siya.
Yeah.
Gusto ko dire-diretso. So tapusin ko muna yung mga and then babalik na ulit ako mag-work. And I'm excited kasi parang syempre pera.
Correct.
So mag-move on na tayo sa 2025. Do you have any resolutions for the upcoming week?
Siguro for 2025, I'm really looking forward for prosperity and hopefully more projects with healthy clients. And mas nag-uumapaw na bonggang career ngayon.
Mhm.
Yun lang.
Love it.
Yun ang siguro ang mga goals in life. And of course, I wanted to be healthy. So, it's hard
Yes.
kasi lagi akong
Mm.
lagi akong ganyan, nagki-crave ng mga bagay na masasarap. So, it's really a challenge to be healthy, but hopefully.
Yes.
Yeah. And then siguro, from last year, another what if is what if, maaga din ako nagpa-check sa OB.
Yes.
Kasi para mas naayos ko yung kasi mga Bex, meron akong PCOS. So that's why I'm really gaining weight so much. And kaya rin ako madalas magkakain ng kung ano kasi hormones is calling. Charay. So,
Same.
kung
Same.
Char. So kung nakapag-obigay niya ako ng mas maaga,
Earlier.
kasi I just started October.
Mm.
I think mas na cure na siguro siya ngayon.
Mhm.
Ngayon kasi, I'm still struggling to have a period. Talaga. Kahit anong inom ko ng gamot. So, kikitain ko na naman yung OB ko. So, hopefully, maging successful na yung susunod. Ayun. I'm not, jaundice walang ganong eksena. It's all about being healthy overall. Kasi pag okay yung, internal health mo, mas madali kang makapag-lose ng weight.
Ako siguro ang resolution ko for 2025 is, pag nagkaroon ako ng bagong work, siguro iibahin ko yung atake ko with the work.
Okay.
Kasi parang before, talagang kahit na damit lang naman yung ginagawa ko, parang matter of life and death siya. Sometimes, with the demands and all, na parang, girl, lang namamatay sa damit.
Ito nga, real lang namamatay na. Madaling araw, tawagak, charms.
So, yun, parang gusto ko pag nag-work na ako ulit, medyo mas laid back and mas chill
Mm.
yung atake ko when it
Mm-mm.
comes to work. Para din hindi ako ganun nabu-burn out ng
Yeah.
bongga-bongga. And yung parang, kasi yung mga padulo na ng work ko, as in talaga, I'm literally dragging myself to get up and open the laptop and work. As in talagang yung tapos habang ginagawa ko siya, I'm loathing everything that I'm doing. So parang gusto ko sana, hopefully, when makabalik na ako sa work, mas chill and mas, alam mo yun, parang okay lang. Okay lang lahat. Maging okay ang lahat.
Yeah.
So yun naman ang resolution ko. I hope to travel more next year. So yun. May goals ka ba? Specific goals?
My goal is just to be successful. Especially in
Your
venturing into
business.
the business. Kasi gusto ko talaga siyang mag-grow. Because that's my passion.
Yes.
Um,
Production.
Production, filmmaking, and everything. Ang
Conceptualize.
hina na sila sabi, baka di narinig sa mic. Charay.
Kino-convince niya yung sarili
Baka na-convince sa sarili, charay.
Passion ko to.
Oo, kahit hindi na. Charing lang. Hindi, pero I really want to have more time. I really want to have more freedom when it comes to work para I can, kasi ang dami kong gustong gawin.
Yes.
So sana magawa ko talaga lahat sila.
Ako din.
Diba?
Mhm.
Actually, ang hirap kasi we're not getting any younger and time is really moving fast. So, ang hirap na mag-chill. Kahit na gusto mo mag-chill for a time, but we cannot be like complacent.
Hmm.
So, yun lang.
Tsaka ang goal ko sana medyo vague, pero yung I hope 2025 will be my someday. Kasi 'di ba we always say someday ganito, someday ganyan. So I hope 2025 will be my someday. This is the year na yung alam mo yun, lahat ng aspirations in life ma-achieve natin.
Yes. And we're hoping na kayo mga Baxters, lahat ng goals nyo in life
Yes.
matupad this year. Kung hindi man this year, I hope you can start working on it.
Sure.
Malay nyo in a year or two mangyari. Diba?
Tsaka lagi naman natin, we always say this, hindi tayo pwedeng puro hope. Kailangan merong
Work.
work.
Oo.
So, hindi pwedeng lagi tayong nakaasa sa hope.
Yeah.
Dapat meron. Sabi nga nila, big dreams, bigger actions. Rejection is weird. Kung ano na lang quotes,
Dami
may
na sinabi.
masina.
Dami ko na rin alaala ngayon. Pumapasok ko naman yung boses ng toxic. Charing. Okay, go.
Mag-move on na tayo dyan from her dahil
Oo.
2025, she's out of our lives.
Correct.
Maka-hour, alam mo ganyan ako eh. Ako pa yung minsan mas gigil.
True. Ayan. And of course, more chikahan tayo sa pagbabalik ng
Dexters!
Alright. And we're back.
Okay, go na. Ayan. So, ngayon naman focus tayo sa 2025 in general. Ano ba ang mga upcoming trends? Ano ba ang mga... Ay, hindi ko na-search yung mga Sige, babalikan mo. So, i-intro mo siya.
Iyaboy na ako. Correct. Ayan. Of course, dito muna tayo
Alas
sa
dos
mga
na muna madaling araw, mga
Dito
Bex.
sa fashion trends for 2025. Unang-una na dyan, ang Mocha Mousse Pantone Color for 2025. Ito po ang color of the year. Kung nakita nyo po, ito po ay yung parang nude shade of color.
Yan eh.
Brown, yan. Mga brown palette yan eh, yung Mocha Mousse. Basta kung naalala niyo mga chocolate ang atake, ganun. Pero hindi dark chocolate. Ito yung parang may kasamang milk.
Yes. Maglagay ka ng picture ni Tik.
Correct.
Mocha mousse. Yan.
Ayan.
Na ilalagay ko. Charing.
Charis. Siyempre, unang-una na dyan. Ang trending na, na fashion look is boho chic.
So, yun. So, actually, nauso to ng mga 2013, 2014, yung Bohemian, di ba? Tapos nawala siya kasi siguro mga 2016, 2017 naging tayo, parang racer, sportswear, ganun yung atake. So, this year, babalik daw ang Bohemian Rhapsody.
Correct. And syempre, andyan na rin na ang Aquatica. Magmukha kang tubig. Syare.
Mukha kang Shokoy.
Magmukha kang Serena.
Aquatica, so ito yung mga textured fabrics na seashells, mga sequins sa color blue, silver, basta ganyan, anything na reminds you of the ocean.
I see.
Yun
yung tipong lalabas ka, yung bra mo, pearly shells. Ganon.
Tapos yung palda mo, kaliskis ng bangus.
Oo, ganon ang atake. And of course, nandiyan na rin ang Lux Sportswear.
Yeah. So, hindi pa rin mawawala yung sportswear, pero mas elevated version.
Oo, like yung very, na nga, on the trend na nga, yung Skims ni Kim Kardashian. Kasi nakipag-collab sila sa North Face and look, it's a sportwear pero ginawa niyang pang fashion na very fitting for a lady. Kasi ang alam naman natin ng North Face, wala talaga siyang shape. It's really just,
basic sportswear.
Basic sportswear. Pero she did something out of it to make it more feminine.
Yes.
And para magkaroon lang ng shape, gano'n.
Yes. Ayan. So, in other trends naman besides fashion, for 2025, sabi nila, more AI. And,
For sure.
And parang baka daw, it's also possible, maybe ibang countries is using AI na in their government, bodies, yung mga agencies. Nagamit natin ng AI for easier, Pero ako kasi, as an artist, parang hindi ako masyado supportive with AI. Parang at some point, sige, okay, pero hindi pwedeng lahat nakaasa sa AI.
Oo. I mean, for me naman, AI is an advantage and at the same time, you just have to, if you're really creative, you just have to use AI like to support you but not entirely manipulate your ideas.
Correct.
Ganun lang siya. Parang siguro for refinements and stuff, go for it. But entirely for the idea, just do it. Just do you. I mean.
And then of course, with Trump's, he's gonna be back reigning. Reigning queen. So, baka, like nung 2016 era, the world is gonna be a little bit more conservative again when it comes to LGBT stuff. Dahil ngayon nga, hindi pa siya, I mean, the past few months, hindi pa siya nakaupo, pero nagsisimula na yung mga anti-trans campaigns and stuff.
Oo, yeah, I saw that too. So, ayun, laban lang tayo. Marami pa namang ibang bansa na pwedeng tirahan na safe kayo.
True.
Charot, and stay strong.
Pero kasi ang hirap kasi dito, USA is very,
Influential.
parang sinusundan siya ng ibang bansa. So, alam mo yun, pag nakikita ng ibang bansa yung ginagawa nito, baka gayahin, ganyan. So, kapit lang mga Bex, tulong-tulong tayo, lalabanan natin ito.
Mm. Yes,
Yeah.
ayan.
And then,
And
ito naman yung mga, sabi ko kanina, yung mga dapat yung mga movies and TV shows ng 2025. So, ano na dyan yung live action na Snow White? Are you gonna watch? Parang ako, I'm not.
depende kung sino yung actors. I haven't seen any trailer or
Meron ng
haven't
trailer,
read anything about it. Oh, wait. Is it
Rachel Zegler Gal.
Gal Gadot? I'm not gonna watch it. I mean,
Maybe on
no,
streaming.
I like her, but I because I saw the trailer of it. I don't like the Snow White
Oh.
who's playing Snow White
Ako
because
naman, hindi ko
Gal Gadot is more prettier than the Snow White.
Ako naman hindi ko tanggap yung dwarves na CGI sila.
CGI ba sila
Oo,
lahat?
parang nag-effort ka na din lang naman to do a live action. Why not hire, alam mo yun, the little people to play the
Ako, I
dwarves?
don't like it. Doesn't give justice for that actress to be a Snow White. I'm
Si
sorry.
Rachel
Yeah, it could
Zegler.
have been a different actress.
Ako kasi, alam mo, sorry sa mga paninigal, pero for me, walang laman yung acting niya.
Kasi nga maganda lang si ate. Ang mo na.
How to Train Your Dragon na live action version. Actually, maraming live action itong Snow White, yung How to Train Your Dragon, and yung Lilo and Stitch. And then also yung Wicked Part 2, pero towards the end of next year pa yun. Kasi nga, if you guys know, Act 1 pa lang yung lumabas noong 2024. So, from 2025 is Part 2, which
It's
is
still gonna be Ariana.
Yeah, same
cast.
I think tapos na sila mag-shoot nung buong movie.
Mm.
So, editing na lang. And then, I think Part 3 na to. Yung 28 years later, if you would remember, 28 days later, then 28 weeks later. So, ngayon 28 years later naman yung lalabas. And then may Superman din, Captain America, Fantastic, kung ano pa din.
Ayan, so there's a lot of movies to watch out for next year. So abang-abang lang tayo mga Bex. And of course, alam nyo na kung saan nyo mapapanood doon ng libre. Charot! Nag-endorse. Marami namang streaming sites kasi that you can watch. And of course, if you have Netflix, HBO,
Yes.
Prime, just utilize all of them. And Disney Plus, marami namang options dyan to watch. Especially now, especially now, holiday season pa rin naman, kahit 2025 na. We are just starting. Nandiyan yung mga comeback ng mga classic movies for you to binge watch. Yan lang.
On TV, I think January 1 airing natin. January 3 is this episode 1 of RuPaul's Drag Race season 17. So it's a new set of queens, and I think Drag Race Philippines is gonna have an all-star season this year. Kasi usually towards the end of the year sila nag-casting call for the upcoming season, pero walang casting call na nangyari the past few months. So I think all-stars ang Philippines this year. So abangan natin sino mga lalaban dyan. So yun lang naman yung mga nakita.
Oo, push mga Bex. And of course, from fashion trends and movies to watch out for, ang next naman natin ay predictions for the year 2025.
Lagi natin ito ginagawa, mga predictions. Dahil nga sabi ni Sinayla Seba, ito naman favorite ko siya. Ang mga between ay kamay lamang, meron tayong free will, gamitin natin ito at ang lucky color today. Sorry.
Hashtag free will.
Naging mamuhula na talaga yung game.
Alright. What's the first on the list?
Mananalo na si Beyonce ng Album of the Year sa Grammys. Hindi to prediction, ito ay manifestation. Manifest manalo siya. Oh my God. Okay.
Okay ka na?
Nailabas ko na siya sa sistema.
Okay, and number 2. Another prediction daw, mga Bex. Israel versus Palestine will be over. And Netanyahu matitegi daw. But I'm not sure if that's gonna happen.
Let's see.
Ako Netanyahu, I don't think he will die anytime sooner. Kasi masyado siyang maraming galamay, para siyang octopus. So hindi ako sure na hindi ako confident na mamamatay siya ng maaga. Pero, he will, but it's not gonna be soon.
Pero also manifesting, no? Kasi war is never good. So also sana matapos na dito. No?
Oo. And of course, ano next? Nicole and Paris.
Renaissance. So feeling ko, actually I saw this online, no? Sisikat ulit yung si Nicole Richie and si Paris Hilton, yung tandem nilang dalawa. Because, alam mo na, nung early 2000s talagang sila yung it girls and iconic because of their TV show, The Simple Life. So, meron silang reunion project. I think it aired already. I'm not sure. Ano siya, it's either December, January, ganyan. So, I think magtutuloy-tuloy yun. And also maybe Lindsay. Gusto ko sila mag-reunion actually.
Oo.
Yung mga it girls of
Oo,
our
oo.
times to do a project
And I'm
together.
really hoping that Britney Spears will have a comeback
Yes.
also.
Mhm.
Kung sino man ang doctor ni Lindsay, pakilala nyo na nga kay Britney para mas
Pero-
maging fresh girl.
Si Donatella Versace, nakita mo Tempest?
Nakatakot pa rin eh.
Di,
Pero
pero,
laban.
compared to dun sa mukha siyang ano.
Mukha siyang lion. Okay, go.
Ayan, sabi nila i-divorce daw ni Lana Del Rey yung alligator husband niya.
I don't think so. But, well, we can never tell because she's not really predictable. She's so random. So, laban Lana. And then, of course, I think another prediction is Taylor Swift will write a musical. And I think this is really possible kasi mahilig talaga siyang magsulat. Sobrang addictus benedictus na natin magsulat ng kung anik-anik. So, I think pasok to sa mga.
At saka I think she's one of those people who wants to have EGOT status. Yung Emmy, Grammy, Oscars, Tonys. And parang,
Nakakailan na ba siya?
I don't know. I think Grammys pa lang siya meron.
Oo, wala pa siyang Emmys eh. Wala pa siyang Oscar.
I think may Emmys na siya. Yeah, sure, actually. Pero para lang ka-Tonys siya, I think that's one way to do it. So,
Okay, kasi it's not new kasi 'di ba nag-Cats musical din naman
Yes.
siya. So ayun, abang-abang lang tayo mga Bex, but yan so far ang latest prediction namin for the 2025.
Ikaw, anong mga personal, mo, in pop culture in general, mga manifesting, mga ganyan. Like yung Britney, gusto ko din yung Britney.
Ako gusto ko, I'm really manifesting Britney to have a really good comeback kasi deserve niya yan. And,
Ako, sana mag-continue yung Beanie, yung success nila. Kasi deserve nila. I mean, if you are a fan, you would understand yung struggles and ginamit nila for how many years. So, pero feeling ko naman, kaya i-sustain knowing ABS. Kaya yan, wag lang magkaka-issue. Ano na may bubuntis, ganyan.
True.
Dahil may hirap na, pero ayun. May bulong-bulungan na baka ibalik daw yung franchise ng ABS.
Okay. Well, if that happens, then good for the show business kasi sila talaga ang leading when it comes to entertainment and GMA, I'm okay for them to just focus on news and public affairs.
Pero kasi alam mo, yung ibang networks also started to struggle after mag-shut down ng ABS kasi syempre nabawasan yung nag-pull back yung mga companies with the TV ads.
Well, to be
Kasi
honest, because
medyo monopolized na eh.
yeah, well, it's because it's digital age already. Everybody has access to phone. Everyone can watch on phone. Who wants TV nowadays? Parang ako, siguro I just want a big screen just to watch Netflix or anything of some sort. But yung mga typical na mga content, just go for the mobile.
Pero naman, sabi naman ng ABS parang wala silang active application for a franchise and they don't plan to have one anytime soon. So, parang hindi din naman nila bet. Parang gusto na din talaga nila mag-focus on digital streaming and digital content.
They have to because it's really moving fast.
Yes.
Hindi na talaga ngayon TV ang nangunguna. And even ads are moving towards digital. Social media, marami ng ads sa TikTok, if you notice. Marami ding ads sa Instagram and Facebook, if you notice. Every time na may pinanonood kayo, merong parang mini 5-seconder na advertisement.
Even on TikTok.
Oo. So, ano talaga ngayon?
Digital.
Everything has changed. It's no longer the traditional type of advertising.
And give ko naman sa ABS, magaling talaga silang gumawa ng content. Digital content.
Yeah, push.
Yun. So, yun lang naman ang mga
mga hands namin for the 2025 and more to come sa pagbabalik ng Baxters.
And we're best, hindi naman sa segment kung saan nagsasusunod ng kapatan mo, movies, music, and everything. And for this episode, mag-hear mo taste so ano man dapat nilang pakinggan.
Oh
Wala ko
my
na sinisip on
God.
the spot.
For
On the
twe-
spot din ako.
Yeah, for 2025. Yeah, just listen to Number One Girl by Rosie. I think si Rosie din yung isa sa mga nabanggit ko from the previous episode from last year. But Rosie is really that song is so good. So you just have to listen to it. Um Kainin ng lyrics. Chareng. Kasi maganda talaga kasi it really speaks for woman. Kasi it's all about validity, the need, alam mo yun. So ito yung mga bagay na hindi natin masabi as a woman na sinasabi ni Rosie sa kanta niya. So very relatable talaga siya. Kaya naman talagang nag-boom yung song agad-agad.
Mhm. At ako ay walang maisip, no? Na hear mo tease. Okay. Pakinggan nyo na lang siguro yung soundtrack ng Waken. Kasi that's been on repeat for me at least in the past couple of weeks. Kasi I love it. Para din in preparation of Wicked 2 next year.
Yeah, perfect. Ayan. At syempre, di matatapos ang episode na to nang wala kayong nalalearn.
Dahil deserve nyo maging bakla, ito ang
Word of the Bex.
Bex. Yan. Ako naisip na word of the Bex.
And syempre, for this new year, ang word of the Bex ko ay, tsare. Teka, hirap ah.
Go on the spot.
On the spot to, mga Bex, nag-iisip kami, shoota this. Sige, nakamove na tayo sa shoota, laban and everything. Siguro for me, and tsaka kay Kisor from last year,
kay
some of the
Kisor.
trendiest. Siguro for this year, ano na lang, let's say, fresh.
Laro.
Fresh. Kasi we need to be fresh in all aspects. Chareng, fresh mind, fresh face, fresh perspective. Everything needs to be fresh for the year 2025 para happy tayo and maka-move forward sa lahat ng trauma from 2024. What? Trauma?
Ako dahil lang color of the year ay ano yun? Mousse?
Chocolate mousse.
Mocha mousse?
Oo, mocha mousse.
Ang word of the Bex ko ay earna. Alam nyo na yan mga Bex. Ano meaning ng earna? Kung may hindi pa alam yung earna.
Ako alam ko, syempre, ginagamit ko ito nung college days.
Alam, parang ano naman siya.
But I think not all knows it. Lalo na yung hindi talaga Bex. So,
iwasan ang mga earna this year.
Correct. Literal.
Naidaan, naitawid.
And of course, isa na naman pong episode ang natapos natin for the first year of 2025. Thank you very much for always tuning in and malapit na mag-weekend.
True, kapit lang at January 1 pa lang kapit lang agad. Gusto mo yan.
Kapit lang kasi baka sunod yung press con. Okay, go.
Last episode ba yun? If you haven't yet, rate our podcast 5 stars. Ayan. And follow us on our social media accounts at Dexter's Podcast, at Jonah with 4 A's, at Rumble620, and at Between.jobs. And if you want us to read your letters and you want to ask for some advice, Dexter's Podcast at gmail.com.
Yes, and follow us for more updates and ganap in our lives.
Correct. Truly. So, yun lang. Happy 2025! Sana safe kayong nag-New Year at nag-Pasko.
Sana kumpleto pa rin ang inyong mga daliri.
Taro. Ayan. At sana simula na ulit mag-diet. Simula na ulit lokohin ang mga sarili.
Oo,
planner hanggang February lang.
Correct. Mahirap-hirap ito. Laban lang tayo mga Bex.
True.
And always be kind, as we always say.
Always be kind.
Bye.
Happy New Year.
You've been listening to Baxter's The Mel and Jonah Show.
Follow Baxter's on Spotify and subscribe on YouTube.
You can also find us on Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram.
At Dexter's Podcast. That's BEKXTERZ Podcast.
If you like this episode, rate and review our show on your podcast app 5 stars.